All right, going to be doing an unboxing on the new Bosch 7 1/4 inch circular saw. This is the bi-turbo motor. This is the good one with the track saw compatibility, or the track compatibility, and the eco mode and the variable speed. Just got this thing delivered to me. Let's check it out. Comes with the standard 3-year warranty or 3-year tool protection plan, Pro Vantage, your user guides and what have you, whatnot. Does come with a cool little rip guide. Put on the saw, very nice. And let's look at the saw here. Let's check it out. There it is, right there. So really cool. This has the so the depth adjust is right here on the thumb. Pull this back, push that forward, and you can adjust the depth, whatever you want. So if you're going to do any plunge cutting, you never have to take your hand or your thumb off of the saw. Just go for it. Very cool. Your bevel guide or bevel adjust, you have to loosen it in the back and in the front. You got your bevel adjust right there. Really cool. Wrap around front handle, so when you go to do the bevel cut, you still got a full good grip. That's your variable speed and such. I haven't put a battery on this yet, so let's see. Eco mode, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the brake you hear. I don't know if that's good for the saw to change it through, run through gears like that with the battery and everything while it's running, but I've been waiting for Bosch to come out with a 7 1/4 inch brushless circular saw for a while. And this one looks pretty cool. Got good visibility here. You got a nice little green there. That's where your track saw compatibility comes in. So that's your track saw compatibility right there. Really cool. Let's take this off so I don't cut myself. Does come with the blade pre-installed. Got the brake. Got your safety switch right there to do the trigger. So very cool. Looking forward to using it. I'll do a video when I start to use it. I'll do another video when I use it, but that's just your unboxing. There it is. Very nice. Looking forward to it. Good job, Bosch. Out time.